Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I will show you how you can fix the situation when emoji are not displayed on your keyboard in iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. Let us get started with you. And actually the problem that sometimes emoji on the keyboard disappear. I think that many people face this problem. I've had this problem as well. And now I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. And first of all, go to the phone settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down, go to Basic. Here also scroll down a little bit. Find the keyboard, click on it. Click on the keyboard again at the top. And here you'll see a list of what's displayed on your keyboard. In my case, it's multiple languages as well as emoji. If you don't have emoji written here, then click Add New Keyboard. Then in the search box, type in the word emoji. And you'll get a line down here with the word emoji on it. And you just click on it, and that's how you add it to your keyboard. And then you can use all the different emojis in the message. If that didn't help the situation, then you will need to update your phone to the latest version of iOS. It is possible that this is the problem. Sometimes this happens if your phone is not updated. These are the ways you can fix the situation where emoji are not showing up on your keyboard and iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you. Please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.